What's up, guys? We're back an hour later, and time to get our rainy deer. Guys, this is adorable. Look at that. So freaking adorable. This pet right here is adorbs. These two are adorbs. I already got my thing. Don't pop up. I don't like this. Oh yes, the calendar. 31st. So the 25th. Oh, I don't get anything sparkly on the 25th. That one looks nice. Yeah. Okay, can you stop? Okay, time to go to the party. Jamal, engage. Don't glitch out now, bro. Look at that one down there. It's so adorbs. These are all so adorable. Look. Oh, yes, we're here, guys. We're here. Okay, so let's check out the reindeer. Is there like the same over here? Let's check. Oh, this is so cool. I got that. No. Where's the reindeer, guys? Must find it. Must find the reindeer. I need the reindeer. I need that reindeer. Where's the reindeer? Here it is, guys. Here it is. Oh my god. Don't glitch out me now. Must grab him. Let's randomize this guy. See him. Let's see what he comes with. Oh, wow. Oh, that definitely. That just looks weird. Oh, that's. I like the normal one, you know. Pink. Wait, my pink? This just looks weird. Right now. Come on. Maybe I should do like the normal color. Oh, that looks so adorable. I know, right there. No. I'm just gonna stick with, yeah, the light pink. Okay, so I got my eyes. Antlers, definitely change these antlers, bro. I just gotta change them. Like these, they're good. Engage. Fancy. There we go, Frosty. Frosty tree looks nice. Yeah, Frosty tree. Gonna be. It's only gems. Oh my god. It's only gems, guys. It's only gems. Guys, I have to buy another. I'm gonna make it a boy. It's gonna be a boy. I think I'm gonna make it dark brown this time. Oh yeah. That looks. I'm gonna make it red. No, aqua. Yeah, aqua. There we go. Oh yes. Oh, it's so cute. Same antlers. Oh, he looks so handsome. Jumble horse. Yay! Awesome. Best day ever. Okay, how long is this going on? Because I have to buy like 2 more of these. I'm not joking. I have to buy like tons of these. Okay. So, okay. I have 19 minutes. 19 more minutes. 19 more minutes. Guys, this is awesome. I have 19 more minutes. Okay. Now I can spend 9 minutes. And then, oh my god, this guy's so awesome. Guys, I bought 2 reindeer, and I didn't even need the diamonds, guys. I didn't need the freaking diamonds. Know what I'm gonna go and buy? Yeah, you guessed it. Wait, but I really want to get a goat. Okay, I have to get the goat, guys. Guys, I have to. I mean, look at the goat. Once it summarizes up, guys. Okay, I'm gonna randomize it just to see. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, do good. Oh, row. Row. My row. I like this better. No, give me a bit. No. Oh, that looks adorable. Yeah, those look good, I guess. Perfect. What should her name be, guys? Oh, Summer. Summer Plum. Summer Plum. Yay. 2 diamonds. Should I do it, guys? Oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna do it. I did it. She's adventurous. Slide whistle, tree bark. Oh, she likes tree bark. That's nice. Guys, I don't know. I think I should get something from here, to be honest. Hey, kitty. This actually look. I don't actually like this, guys. No, wait, how's this? Royal. Yeah, the royal amulet. Yeah, guys, I bought it. I bought everything. Oh, there's only one, so okay. I look good, guys. I think you would agree. I got 3 more pets. My god, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going back and buying 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm gonna. No, 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 no. Don't click on that one. I'm gonna buy one more. One more, okay, guys? Guys, actually, I'm gonna save up. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna save up. And I think I'm gonna end the video here. So, ooh. Maybe we should buy some music first. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, guys, I already have that. Winter Dance, I already have that. So, guys, I think we're gonna end the video by sitting by the fire. Toasty. But we're actually gonna go over and go into the tub of chocolate. You're in my vid. Oh, guys, I glitched. Why? In my vid. Yeah, guys, let's eat it. In my eat it all. Guys, I'm gonna have to log it out here, but thank you guys so much for being here. Ghost tastes like sweater. Come on, guys. I just need to say vid. In my vid. VID. Say hi. You're in my vid. Say hi, guys. You're in my vid. Oh my goodness. Jumps in fright. Coughs. I'm back. Then change back. You will be clean. Nobody's literally saying hi. Come on, say hi, guys. You're in my bed. Oh, come on, really? Okay, guys, we're just gonna go. So, yeah.